Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to add an intro looks like parallax effect on your video using Capcut mobile. Okay, so now first you need to open a new project and then add a dark background like this. And after you finish doing it, now you need to add a text. For example, I will add a maybe I will add United States. Wait, let me caps lock it. State like this, and then click done. And after you finish doing it, now click styles. You need to adjust the color of the font onto green color like this, and then add a stroke or outline onto your text, and then click stroke and change the color of the stroke onto green color like this, onto white color like this, and decrease the size of the stroke onto 10. And after finish, check it, and now you need to increase the duration of the text and make sure it has the same duration as the background duration. And after that, click export and then download the design like this, click done. And now you need to move to the intro that you want to add the parallax effect. And after you import the video that you want to add the effects, then you need to click overlay button down here, click it, and then add an overlay and add the text that you already saved before, and then adding it. Now you need to fit the text onto the screen like this, and after that you need to swipe left the toolbar and then click the remove BG, this one, click it and click the chroma key. And now you need to place the chroma onto the text like this, inside the text. And after that, increase the intensity like this and then click finish. And after that, as you can see, now the background of the video is already inside the text. And after that, you need to decrease the duration of your video and make sure it has a same duration as the overlay video. And after that, now if you want to add a parallax intro, you need to zoom in this text design by clicking the keyframe like this and then zoom in onto your text and make sure that you can see the video from this text like this. And after that, swipe left, and now you need to decrease the size, zoom out text, then do like this, just minimize the text one more time and finish. Now we can see the result and your video will be look like this. And now you need to add a curve and click the ease out, this one, then finish. And don't forget to export the video by clicking export. And now it's done, and that's the way how to make a parallax intro onto your video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.